Hey guys, hope you are all well today. Well, it didn't take long before what I warned you guys against happened. To be honest, it took me by surprise this morning as I did not think Aron would be so quick to make this move, but yet here we are. In the case you don't know, AMC announced this morning that they would be selling 40 million shares and use the proceeds to pay down its existing debts, which is currently estimated to be at $5.1 million. As a result of this, AMC shares fell around 15% in the pre-market. Time and again, I warned you with the last 3 AMC videos I released last week and the ones before. Aron intends on diluting this company into oblivion and he doesn't care what you think. It's so funny, lately he was advertising the new Taylor Swift concert that can be watched on AMC theaters. He was boasting about the record sales and such, but he was uncharacteristically silent in regards to the thousands of investors that flooded to the comment sections of his posts asking about more potential dilution. He was hyping up AMC and the Taylor Swift tickets and then he drops this, which to me comes across as him pumping the stock before this drop. And if you think this is the end of it, think again. AMC has authorization to sell and dilute more than half its current shares outstanding. People are saying this is about as low as AMC could drop, but they are wrong. With more dilution, even as much as AMC has already fallen, the market and hedge funds will short it even lower. The problem is that AMC is paying their debt with your money. It's like they own a mortgage and are forcing payments using your ownership of the house. It's very unfair, but Aron is not even talking about this anymore. He is blatantly ignoring everyone on his feed. My last videos, I received a ton of comments asking me why I was being so negative on AMC, why I couldn't just be happy like I used to be. Well, it's because I was actually warning you. Had my critics paid attention to what I was warning you instead of the vibe of affirmation you desperately want, you would understand that I am simply relaying a grim message not on my own accord, but on Aron's. So let's take a moment and answer the question I know is bound to flood the comments: how low can AMC go? Can AMC sink below $10? The answer is an absolute yes. I expect AMC to continue diluting away as much and quick as possible as he can. Though the market is pricing in that certainty, the price will also drop as well then. You see, AMC is setting up the perfect market conditions for shorters to extend their power to destroy the price action. Outside of the massive copious community of AMC, any other investor would tell you to your face that dilution is simply not good. It doesn't matter if the money is being raised to pay off their debt, dilution is simply bad for all investors, and you will be both witness and victim to that fact. AMC will indeed go down in price. In fact, it already is happening in the pre-market. When AMC sells those extra 300 million shares, AMC's price will likely go back down to somewhere around $3 and $6. 9:45 a.m. By then, I also expect Aron to perform a reverse split that will make the price appear much more comfortable to the eye. That way they also keep more or less the same amount of outstanding shares, since they can give you one share that make up the same amount 10 others would. And the other criticism, or rejection I get a lot from people, is that AMC has blasted off in the past when it diluted. As I explained in the video before this, that happened because AMC was in a position where it was primed for squeezes. It was widely popular, and though it still is, it isn't at the same level it once was in 2021. Furthermore, there was a lot of money and just unbeatable bullishness in the markets, and that led to the perfect variables all aligning that made it possible for AMC, along with many other companies, to enjoy major squeezes. However, we are no longer in those days. AMC just diluted a couple weeks ago and the price action sank 70%. The implementation of APE units did not lead to any significant price action as tons of other members promised it would. People said APE would expose the real number of naked shares, and yet here we are, with no confirmation on that either. And here we are again, with AMC planning on selling off more shares and the result being AMC falling another 15%. In fact, if you want to be fair about this, the last time AMC had a nice little run was a couple months ago when the judge denied AMC's request to dilute, where AMC ran 100% in the after hours. And guys, listen, I hate typing this up. I hate the fact that the news I am talking about are not nice to us. I wish AMC had not diluted. We could literally be sitting back at $10 right now with all the positive news AMC has been enjoying. The Taylor Swift concert is apparently making AMC break records, and then the last earning report was super bullish as well. We should be celebrating this company and simping hard, laughing in the face of every Wall Street analyst as to how wrong they were, and yet we are instead staring in awe at how the price of AMC continues to fall because Aron is obsessed with forcing a dilution that the company does not need. It frustrates me to no end the people excusing it as well. They provide no objective opinion as to why this must be done at all costs. AMC already proved it can be cash flow positive, that it can go on paying its debt without resolving to having to sell and ruin people's investment. Very sad news today for AMC. Let me know your thoughts. Come join my Discord and let's chat about this. Thank you for watching this video through its end. Please help share it. See you on the next one.